Introducing the QCF-250 Torque Tester, a robust and reliable solution for your torque measurement needs. Designed and manufactured by Advanced Witness Series, this torque tester offers exceptional accuracy and versatility, making it an indispensable tool for various applications. With a wide torque range of 25 to 250 lb/ft, the QCF-250 Torque Tester allows you to tackle a diverse range of fastening tasks with confidence. Its bidirectional accuracy of 1% of the indicated reading ensures precise and dependable measurements, giving you peace of mind in your quality control processes. The QCF-250 offers 3 operating modes: track, peak, and first peak, providing you with the flexibility to choose the most suitable mode for your specific application. The user-friendly interface simplifies operation, allowing even non-technical personnel to quickly learn and use the tester efficiently. Built with a rugged aluminum case, the QCF-250 is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use in industrial environments, ensuring long-lasting performance. It's powered by a NIM battery or 9 BDC line input and comes with a range of included accessories, including a battery charger, rundown adapter, operating manual, certificate of calibration, and more. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the QCF-250 Torque Tester. Its versatility, accuracy, and ease of use make it an essential tool for professionals in various industries. Invest in the QCF-250 and experience precise and reliable torque measurements that enhance your quality control processes.